Guys, I'm roasting. This weather these past few weeks, man, it's just been roasty toasty. But guys, what do you even want to do today?
Junior, to be honest, I don't know, but it is roasting and still nothing to do really.
At least I'm a part of the, trio. Well, not trio, but squad. I don't know what you call like a fifth person in the squad, but yeah.
Guys, shut up! Stop making that noise!
Junior, that's not us.
What do you mean? I wonder who that is. I'm gonna check out, cause they're interrupting our time to play.
But Junior, it doesn't matter. We weren't even going to play it anyways, right?
What? Oh my god, whoever that is, stop making that noise! What the hell? Is that a woodpecker? Oh my god, I'm safe. You're not getting away that fast, kid. Oh my god.
What, Junior, why are you so out of breath?
One, it's because it's hot outside, of course. Two, I got chased by a woodpecker. Wait, what's Donkey Kong in here?
It's because he's not been in the episodes for a very long time, like about 2 months, 3, we don't know. But he's here just to chill with us.
Okay, at least I'm safe anyway. Hey, what's the big idea of you?
Huh? A woodpecker can talk?
Yeah, have you ever heard of a woodchuck? Woodchuck a wood.
What the hell?
And kid, this is payback. Uh-oh. Ah, my ear! Sorry, Mushroom Man. I was trying to get for him.
Mr. Woodpecker, stop it. What did he even do to you?
Oh, I'll tell you what he did. He interrupted my pecking. I was pecking until this kid told me to shut up.
No offense, but you're allowed when you peck.
I guess it's fine. What is this place anyway? Why is it taking over the world, basically?
See, there's cold people, and some animals have, turned into people, basically.
Oh, okay. Mind if I stay? And sorry for killing your friend over there. We could be friends, too.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. I did not know what the hell this monkey said. Well, that's all out of the way. What should we do now, guys?
Maybe we could bounce on Toad's dead body!
I bet I can do it better. Please, guys, calm down. I can fly, yeah. Nuh-uh. Whoa, see? Dummies.
Well, he is a bird.
Cool, he can fly. I'm gonna grab me a snack.
Remember not to stub your toe.
Ooh, fizzy. Ooh, ice. It's stuck in this box. Hey guys, why is an article stuck in the box? No, Mr. Woodpecker, you're so dumb. It's a TV. You get to watch stuff on it. Oh. I guess. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. You know, this place was actually cool to look at. This place is actually quite cool. Yeah, anyone wanna go play darts? Yeah, so Woody will beat you though. We'll see about that. Alright, you guys. So this is my dartboard, as you probably know, but Woody, this is my dartboard. But yeah, what was I gonna say? If you're wondering where Goomba and Donkey Kong is, they're just catching up a bit, you know? It's been like a few months since they've met each other, and we met Donkey Kong more recently compared to him. But yeah, let's just play darts. Me versus Woody. Alright, let me get our stuff. Okay, I'll start first, because I don't know if you animals know how to play. So let's start first. Ugh. Awesome! Now your turn, Woody. Done it. Oh my god, Woody. Now, Woody, this is one of my favorite toys of all time. You can play with it if you want. Okay. Woody, stop! You don't peck that. You play with it. How do I do that? I'll show you. I'm a little poo 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 poo. I'm a little poo poo. I farted in my pants. Now you try. I'm the little poo 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 pants. I'm a little poo 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 pants. There you go, Woody. Alright. That's hot. Koopa, what was that for?
Sorry, my foot slipped.
No, it didn't. Lose it. You do not want to see me go into Woody mode. Oh yeah? Oh, it's just a little stupid little woodpecker. Help me! Slap me! A woodpecker slapped me! Oh no, please don't hurt me. Woody, stop it! I'm good at Woody mode though. I know. Koopa, say sorry. Fine, sorry. It's fine, I guess. Ooh, what kind of food is this? I'm gonna pack it. No, wait, don't! Maybe I should get rid of Woody, even though nobody said it, I think. So, Woody, you're just gonna have to go back to where you came from. But I like it here. Yeah, sorry, dude. You're just gonna have to go home. Okay. Thanks for having me. Sorry if I warned your wives. Bye. Sorry, Woody. We're sorry. Guys, let's just go back to the couch.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, let's just go back.
Bye, new friends.